Amika, stay on with us. In fact, we're getting some breaking inputs. I'll come back to you for details on that. The Income Tax Department has served a notice of around 1,700 crore rupees on the Congress party, compounding its financial worries at the stroke of the crucial 2024 Lok Sabha elections. The party claimed hours after the Delhi High Court turned down its petition challenging the reassessment proceedings for 4 assessment years. The fresh demand is for assessment year 2017-2018 to 2020-21 and includes penalty and interest. Niamika, 1,700 crore rupees notice now for the Congress party. Niamika?
Well, absolutely, as this information is coming in that the Income Tax Department has served a notice to the Congress party of around 1,700 crores, which is a big blow for the Congress, as this notice has come just ahead of the Lok Sabha elections, as this notice is being given by the Income Tax Department after the High Court had rejected the plea of the Congress party for the tax reassessment for the years of 2017-18 to 2020-21, and for that reason we have seen that how the Congress party is also saying that this is a conspiracy on the part of the BJP government to cripple the Congress party financially, so that there should be no level playing field for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. We have also listened to several voices coming in from the Congress party earlier, also how the Congress top leadership, including Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, former President Sonia Gandhi, as well as Rahul Gandhi, held a press conference in which they had said that this is basically an attempt on the part of the BJP government so that the Congress party will not be able to contest the upcoming Lok Sabha elections in a proper manner, and they had also demanded that Election Commission should look into this entire matter. Recently also, when we had tried to speaking to some of the leaders within the Congress party, they had said the same kind of thing, that this is nothing but just the BJP's tactics so that there should be no level playing field in the upcoming Lok Sabha election. They want to cripple the Congress party financially, and that's the reason why this huge amount is being a notice has been given by the Income Tax Department with this huge amount, which is surely going to affect the Congress party's performance in the upcoming days, because Lok Sabha elections are coming in. Already the Congress party is alleging that their accounts have been frozen, and this is a huge amount which is being for which the Income Tax Department has served a notice to the Congress party.
Right. In fact, we have a reaction coming in from the BJP from Shehzad Poonawalla. Let's play that. Niamika, stay with us.
आज हाई कोर्ट ने कांग्रेस पार्टी को इनकम टैक्स के मामले में फिर से कोई भी राहत देने से इनकार कर दिया, और जब कांग्रेस पार्टी को यह राहत आज फिर से नहीं मिली है तो सवाल यह बनता है कि क्या अब कांग्रेस पार्टी जो लगातार यह आरोप लगा रही थी कि उनके ऊपर जो कार्रवाई हो रही थी वो विद्वेषपूर्ण कार्रवाई है, क्या कांग्रेस पार्टी बताएगी कि क्या हाईकोर्ट भी विद्वेषपूर्ण कार्रवाई के साथ खड़ा है? क्या आज कांग्रेस पार्टी बताएगी कि लगातार आपने एक झूठ परोसा कि हमारे बैंक अकाउंट्स फ्रोजन है, जबकि सत्यता यह है कि बैंक अकाउंट पर फ्रीज नहीं है, बैंक अकाउंट पर लीन है। लीन का मतलब यह है कि जितना पैसा आप इनकम टैक्स को ओ करते हैं उसको भर दीजिए, उसके बाद जो भी अधिक राशि है उसको आप खर्च कर सकते हैं। क्या यह सच नहीं है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी इनकम टैक्स के पास गई थी, उनको ये नोटिस मिला, उसके बाद एपेलेट पे गई थी, उसमें 20% भरने के लिए कहा गया था, उन्होंने वो राशि जमा नहीं करवाई। उसके बाद कांग्रेस पार्टी ने लगातार अपील पर अपील फाइल की थी और उन अपील्स में भी उनको राहत नहीं मिली, ना उन्होंने उसमें कोई स्टे मांगा था। और जब 13 मार्च 2024 को हाईकोर्ट के पास पहुंचे तब हाईकोर्ट ने उनसे कहा कि इतने वर्षों से चलता जो मामला है उसमें आज आप क्यों हाईकोर्ट के पास आए हैं जब असेसमेंट होना है। इसके अलावा कुछ ही दिन पहले हाईकोर्ट के पास फिर से जब ये पहुंचे तो हाईकोर्ट ने 45 पेज के ऑर्डर में, और मैं कोट करके बता रहा हूं, कहा है कि सब्सटैंशियल एंड कॉन्क्रीट एविडेंस एग्जिस्ट कि 520 करोड़ का डूबियस अनअकाउंटेड ट्रांजैक्शंस हुआ है कांग्रेस पार्टी के साथ। उसमें उन्होंने ये भी बताया है कि किस प्रकार से करोड़ों रुपए कांग्रेस पार्टी के दफ्तर में और एआईसीसी में 24 अकबर रोड में पाए गए हैं, और इसीलिए इस साल
Niamika continues to be with us. Niamika, of course, the Congress party once again will say that all of this is being done to stop them from campaigning, to stop them from contesting the elections. And the BJP is hitting back because remember that press conference that took place between by Sonia Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge and Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi said that the party does not have any money to spend for elections.
Well, absolutely, and there is another press conference which is going to be held at the AICC headquarters at 12:30.